Alright, here we're rolling. Pull that wing. How many more you got? One more after that?
Yeah.
Is there any legs left on it? Is there legs left on them?
Yeah, the legs.
Okay, yeah, right on.
Oh, yeah.
Alright. Alright, thanks, Bob. Alright, let me just get a close up of the... Okay, beautiful.
So fucking gross.
Now you gonna chew it or just swallow it?
I'll chew it.
Oh, nice.
Oh. I mean, come on, drum roll or just count my head?
Drum roll, Hoopman, you're the musician.
Nah, that's fucking... Oh, that's fucking gross.
That's awesome, DeLuca. Hell yeah, buddy. That's solid.
Tastes like potatoes.
Wow. No shit. That is awesome.
Dude,
that's great. It's great. Thanks, buddy.